Stephen Miller, a top White House advisor, is under scrutiny after accusing a federal judge of staging a legal insurrection for blocking President Donald Trump's order to deploy troops to Portland. U.S. District Court Judge Karin Immergut ruled against Trump's troop deployment to Portland, Oregon, emphasizing constitutional limits. "This is a nation of constitutional law, not martial law," Judge Immergut wrote, warning the orders risk blurring the line between civil and military federal power, to the detriment of this nation. In response, Miller called the judge's opinion a legal insurrection. He argued, "The president is the commander-in-chief of the armed forces, not an Oregon judge." Portland and Oregon law enforcement, at the direction of local leaders, have refused to aid ICE officers facing relentless terrorist assault and threats to life. There are more local law enforcement officers in Oregon than there are guns and badges in the FBI nationwide. This is an organized terrorist attack on the federal government and its officers, and the deployment of troops is an absolute necessity to defend our personnel, our laws, our government, public order and the republic itself. Miller didn't stop there. He launched another attack on what he called a large and growing movement of left-wing terrorism in the U.S., accusing left-leaning judges and officials of shielding these groups. "The only remedy is to use legitimate state power to dismantle terrorism and terror networks," Miller said. Miller's comments quickly drew backlash, leading conservative columnist David French to write, "This kind of rhetoric is incredibly dangerous for the judge." Miller constantly deploys deranged rhetoric, even as he claims the left incites violence with its own language. If Miller believes that rhetoric can lead to violence, then he knows exactly what he is doing. California Governor Gavin Newsom even urged Trump to remove Miller, writing a senior White House official accusing a federal judge, appointed by his own boss, of insurrection for ruling on a case isn't just reckless. It's authoritarian propaganda, plain and simple. Stephen Miller should be fired.